Welcome everyone. In this video, we'll discuss the character list of the White Devil. The list starts with Lodovico, an Italian count who is banished at the beginning of the play and later acts as conspirator against Bracciano and Flaminio. Antonelli, a friend of Count Lodovico and a dependent of Francisco. He later acts as conspirator against Bracciano and Flaminio. Gasparo, a friend of Count Lodovico and a dependent of Francisco. He later acts as conspirator against Bracciano and Flaminio. Bracciano, both a villain and hero in the play. Polo Giordano Ursini is the Duke of Bracciano and the husband of Isabella. For the love of Vittoria, he has his wife and her husband Camillo killed. Camillo, Vittoria's husband, murdered by Bracciano. Flaminio, Vittoria and Marcello's brother, Bracciano's secretary and the play's most scheming villain. He is driven by a desire to increase his social standing, but must rely on manipulation and wit to achieve his purposes. Vittoria, a Venetian lady who is first married to Camillo and then marries Bracciano, setting in motion the play's tragedy. Zanche, Vittoria's servant, an African Moor and Flaminio's lover. She is aware of many schemes but follows her mistress all the way to death. Cornelia, mother to Vittoria, Flaminio, and Marcello, and one of the play's few moral voices. Francisco, the Duke of Florence and brother to Isabella. He is involved in condemning Vittoria and then conspiring to kill Bracciano and Flaminio. His full name is Francisco de Medici. Isabella, the sickly wife of Bracciano, the sister of Francisco de Medici, and one of the play's few moral voices. Monticelso, a Catholic cardinal, until he is named Pope Paul IV. Monticelso is a hypocritical villain who uses his power to condemn Vittoria and then secretly facilitate Bracciano's murder. Marcello, Vittoria and Flaminio's brother and an attendant to the Duke of Florence. Giovanni, the son of Isabella and Bracciano, a chivalrous and moral boy who gains control after his father's murder. Jacques the Moor, Giovanni's African servant. Conjurer, a disguised conjurer who shows Bracciano the murders of Isabella and Camillo. Cristoforo, one of the lineless ghost characters who helps Dr. Giulio murder Isabella. Antonio, a ghost character present at Isabella's death. Aragon, the Cardinal of Aragon, one of the cardinals present at Monticelso's election to Pope and the announcer of the news. Hortensio, one of Bracciano's officers. Mulinasser, Francisco, disguised as a Moor while conspiring to kill Bracciano. Carlo, a member of Francisco's faction, who resides in Bracciano's court and aids the conspirator in their plan to murder Bracciano. Pedro, a member of Francisco's faction, who resides in Bracciano's court and aids the conspirators in their plan to murder Bracciano. Dr. Giulio, a doctor who helps Flaminio and Bracciano poison Isabella, described as a quack and criminal. Liar, the liar recruited to condemn Victoria in her trial, characterized by his unnecessary use of flamboyant language. Ambassadors, several ambassadors from Savoy, France, England, and Spain, who are recruited to judge Victoria's trial and later involve themselves in the plot. Matron, the matron of the House of Convertites to which Victoria is sentenced.